Hello everybody, and welcome to the latest episode of VincentVision. Gosh darn it, I didn't get the... Hold on. Today is a very, very special episode. I'm gonna give you guys one guess as to where I am. Okay, you got it. It's the Magic Kingdom, baby. We are back at Walt Disney World. We are in the Magic Kingdom for Annual Passholder Previews, and today, we're gonna have some fun. Today is the very first day that they are allowing regular old guests like me, Annual Passholder Vincent, to the park. They've had some cast member preview days for here in Animal Kingdom, but this is like the first actual day with like actual guests, or the majority of guests with passes and stuff like that, and it's all annual pass holders, and you know how those annual pass holders can get. We're gonna see what it's like. It's about like 9:30 now. Not very busy in the park. I am excited to be back in the Magic Kingdom. There's a couple things that I really want to ride that I haven't been on, and well, no one's been on for quite some time now. Kind of see how they're doing things over here. I'm not expecting anything to be like crazy drastically different compared to like Universal and SeaWorld and stuff like that, but it's just nice to be here, man, you know?
I honestly thought it was going to be a lot worse, but it is so cool to see the brand new castle. Look at that. Oh, we're going to get a little closer to that in a second. I am not alone today. I have brought my friend along, Abby. Oh, did you just have your mask on?
I wanted some Frappuccino.
Oh my gosh, get her out of here. Get out,
no.
leave. Abby, look at the castle. Wait, can you see it from here?
So we wanted to go in the Relaxation Station, but it's
Currently closed right now, except for that door right there, but nobody's here, so we're gonna go ahead and assume it's closed. It'll open up later in the day officially.
we wanted to map our day out because we were looking at the times and things looked pretty manageable. Hit it.
Many Adventures of Winnie the Pooh, 5 minutes.
Bam.
Mickey's PhilharMagic, 5 minutes.
Bam. I think those are always 5 minutes.
Triangle Carousel, 5 minutes.
What?
Just kidding. Space Mountain, 10 minutes.
Okay, that's good. Also, this mask keeps falling off my face. There's nobody around us right now, but I think before the day starts, we need to go back to the front and get me a new mask because literally it's falling off my face as I speak. This is ridiculous. Let's go.
Look at
They got the little animatronic baby Yoda here. Oh my god. The child. L'enfant. There's a parade going on, but we can't leave through these doors to go see it, so we're just watching from inside of the gift shop.
You know, I'm kind of okay with watching this parade from the air conditioning inside. Hello, Mickey. Goodbye, Mickey.
We have got baby Yoda, I'm sorry, L'enfant, with us today here. This day just got a whole lot better. Let's see his little feet. Oh! Oh my god. Gonna cover that up right there.
So I went to the store, and as you can probably imagine, masks are running out, so I got a new mask here. I'm gonna put it on 1 second. We got upgraded to a Black Panther adult-sized large mask, because they had this really cool Star Wars one that I really wanted, but they didn't have it in a large, and this just fits a lot better, so chaka, wacha, Black Panther claws, T'Challa. I'm gonna keep that in there.
Hey! Ooh, thank you.
It is hot. We've been here for about an hour now taking pictures and stuff like that, and the crowds haven't gotten crazier. I think they really did let only a certain amount of people, and I wonder if this is how it's gonna be like once the park officially opens, but it is time to ride some rides, and the first ride we're gonna head to is an indoor ride because we need some AC. So let's head on over to our first ride of the day.
Space Mountain!
Space Mountain! Let's do it! It's Space Mountain, baby.
Gotta keep the baby safe.
We gotta keep the baby safe. I feel like the Mandalorian.
He's so cute.
Does it look cool?
Yeah, he looks so cute.
10 minutes? Are you sure it's 10 minutes? Alright, we'll give it a shot. It says Space Mountain 10 minutes, but the line is out the door. And I know that's probably because of social distancing, but we'll see what it's really like. Dang, man, they got you entering Space Mountain from all the way over here. This is where those tents used to be.
We're in line for Space Mountain, but most importantly, we are in line for something with air conditioning. Oh my god, this feels so good. Just taking every fiber of my being not to touch this because I want to find out if this is actual glass or plastic. I was worried about these plexiglass walls making things like really claustrophobic, but it's not that bad, I guess. At least not in here.
Oh, sorry, Baby Yoda, you're gonna have to stay right there while we ride Space Mountain.
You are clear for launch. Cover your mouth and nose when coughing and sneezing, and maintain physical distancing. Thank you for your cooperation.
I was just trying to drink my water.
Are you ready?
I'm
Yes.
ready.
Are you ready?
We're ready for this photo shoot.
Baby.
It's the baby.
It's a baby?
And you
The
put
baby.
the baby backpack thing.
And you are the father?
Yes.
The baby! Whoa! It's like a fast pass.
Yes.
You can go to any attraction, mine train, Winnie the Pooh, Buzz Lightyear.
What?
When you show that, they're gonna send you to the back of the line, okay? Any line.
Oh, wow.
You're gonna be the first one from the back, okay?
Wow. Oh my
Yeah.
God, this is really
Awesome,
thank you so
thank
much.
you.
This is amazing.
You need one, right? Two,
Yeah,
right? Yeah. Okay,
okay,
one for
thank
you.
you so much. Thank you.
So it was very, very nice to just ride Space Mountain and like get some cold air, or at least some breeze. We sat towards the front. We waited like a true 15, so that wasn't too bad. As you can see, I know we're like in the back of the park. It's not very busy. It's like this everywhere. We were having a good day. There's really no one here. We tried our luck. We're trying to feel fancy and like try to eat at Be Our Guest for lunch, because you know we want to have lunch at Be Our Guest, but it changed. So now it's dinner only, $62 per person. We are very excited to be here, but I don't think we're that excited
not
to be here.
$62
Yeah, we're not $62 excited to be here. So we are gonna just go eat somewhere else. This is Abby's favorite place to get food.
Pinocchio.
Pinocchio.
Victor Rodriguez.
Victor Rodriguez is right here.
Hey, at least I got the V right.
You got it?
No, I need you to carry this.
I carry this. I film, you carry.
Oh my god, this is heavy.
If this dropped right now,
If I
scream.
spill all your stuff, it's not my
I would
fault.
literally scream into the world.
Pizza time with the baby. Abby's got her cheese. I got my pepperoni. The Pinocchio, it is pretty good. I actually really do like it.
Oh my gosh, we got a character double feature here. We got some of the country bears up here, and we got Miranda on horseback. Hello. Hi, Miranda. Don't say that. It's gonna have Hello. Hey, wow, look at that. It's Miranda and the country bears right there, all in one shot.
We had some rest and relaxation. We saw some characters go through. We saw Miranda on a horse. Miranda on a horse. So it is time to jump back into the rides, and we're doing what seems like we're walking on to Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. It was posted at a 20-minute wait, and so far so good. Oh no, it's raining. These guys are soaking wet. Oh crap, this is good TV, folks. Oh boy, here we go. Oh my god! Oh, it's raining, it's raining! Oh, it's not that bad. It's not bad. It's not bad. Woo! Woo! Woo!
You have nothing to say. Why are you doing this?
Time for Splash Mountain.
Yay!
Don't call it Racist Mountain.
Sorry.
Splash Mountain is a ride at Disney World.
Period.
What?
Not even that good of a ride. It's a mediocre ride.
Okay,
It's just nostalgia. It's just nostalgia.
no, okay. Splash Mountain is a solid ride.
Okay, well, you know
Despite what it's based
what?
off
You know what
of.
brings its ratings down?
What? Agree?
The racism.
Stop, don't talk about it.
Splash Mountain suckers. Really put us in the front row, man. Oh my god.
Oh! No!
Already?
I'm sorry I put us on this ride.
I know, I don't like this.
I wanted to do. Oh. It's kind of creepy with just like the. Oh, sorry. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Ah! good, we're good, we're good. Oh, here we go. Oh my God, oh. Okay, we're going up to the top now. To the top of Splash Mountain. Woo! Hey, that wasn't too bad. Oh, off in the distance, over there. Look, we got it. It's just on a horse. Just on a horse. Yeah, Justin.
Hello, random people I don't care about. Get my picture. Go, get ready. Did you get it? What about you? Did you get it?
No!
You recording?
Yeah, it's recording.
Yeah, it's recording.
Yeah, we're live.
Yeah, we're live.
We've been live for 30 seconds. We have made it back to the Tomorrowland Relaxation Station, and it's about 3:45 now. We got here at what, 9:30ish? Earlier.
Yeah, 9.
9ish. We've had a pretty satisfying day. I think it is time to go home. It's time to get out of here. We did pretty much all the big rides we wanted to ride. Rode Space Mountain, Big Thunder Mountain, Splash Mountain. That feels
We
close
rode
to
every mountain.
Yeah, it's really serious. It's like feels like it's close to impossible on a regular day. So this has been really, really surprising. Like you guys, look, I love the theme parks, and I come here all the time, and I'm so happy. But I've never been like a person who will be like, oh, the magic. Today, I will honestly say, has been what feels like the closest I have felt to like what it was like to come here as a kid, and maybe that was just because of how not busy it was, and maybe how long it's been since I had gone to Disney World, but you know, the cast members were great too.
Yeah, we had this moment with this photographer where we were walking and he was like, oh, like pose this way, act like it's a runway, and it was he was having so much fun and we were having so much fun, and it just makes you think about that right now there's people who have lost their jobs or people that were out of work for a long time, especially any Disney cast members. And it kind of reminds you of why they do it, or why people love coming to theme parks, why families save up for years to be able to spend one day
That's like
at Magic
exactly
Kingdom.
it, yeah.
Yeah, and it's because of those people. It's because of those cast members. And this guy was so great and so fun, and it made me feel the same way, where I was like, oh, this is why my family came here all the time for vacation, because it really is magical.
And if you, like, I'm not going to say, hey, it's safe to come here, and hey, do this and that. If you are comfortable with coming here, go for it. You're going to have a good time if you get a reservation. It is still Disney World.
And also, okay, so we obviously it's not on camera, but we have a lot of moments today where people were like taking their mask down to talk to somebody, or maybe they were just moving in some way, and we saw cast members say like, hey, please put your mask back on, and every time they were kind.
They were really good
and
about it.
So
like
great
they were
about
really,
it.
really good about it. Like, and even like with like honestly, like even like Universal and like even SeaWorld, the fact that like you're getting your temperature checked, all this stuff like that. A lot of people have said it, and I'm probably saying like 1,000 times. So when I go to Target or when I go to Walmart, you know what I mean? Like this is, you feel better about coming here.
They're doing what they can.
Exactly, they're doing the best they can.
Yeah, and it really felt good today.
Yeah, I'm happy it's back. I'm curious to see what it's going to be like when it officially opens. I wonder if there'll be more people, if it's going to stay like this. I've got some reservation days set up pretty soon, and I'm going to hope to try and get some more. It seems like pretty much all of July is gone for the most part, so I'm hoping that changes soon, or something changes in that system. But until then, that's all I got, or rather, that's all we got. So hey, thank you guys for watching VincentVision. I hope you had a great time. Please be sure to like, subscribe, tell your friends, all that good stuff. Watch some more of my videos.
Tell your dad to watch it.
Yes.
Your dad will love this show. Your dad will love these videos.
How you doing, Pete?
Hi, Peter.
Hey, how you doing? Disney World is open again. I sound so cheesy, but I'll say it, the magic is back, ladies and gentlemen. So if you guys find yourself here soon, I think you're going to have a really fantastic experience. Be safe, be courteous, all of that kind of stuff. But it's nice to be back. It's one more step towards, a normal life here in Orlando. So thank you guys
for watching, and see you around. Did we see Mickey Mouse today? We did one time.
We didn't see him.
On
We
the,
saw
on
Minnie
the
Mouse.
little, he was on the thing when we were in
No,
the
it
store.
was Minnie Mouse.
He was on the thing. Bye, everybody. Goodbye. Thank you for watching the video.
No, you have to do the
Hey, goodbye, everybody. Thank y'all for watching my video. It was great. And y'all need to subscribe to this channel right now. Baby Yoda out.